Fat-burning exercises are a fabulous way to rid yourself of that stubborn body fat. And most people don't know that there are some very easy and fun activities that can get your heart rate into the fat-burning zone. These exercises can be fun, and can be done in as little as 20 minutes, and still enable you to burn fat. Fat-burning exercise tip number 1, walk. As a beginner, you should definitely start with walking and move up to the more challenging activities. Walking can advance your heart rate into the fat-burning zone, but in order for it to be truly beneficial, it's recommended that you do it for at least 30 minutes and ideally, 60. Fat-burning exercise tip number 2, lift weights. This is one of the greatest fat-burning exercises there is, and with such a variety of workouts, it never gets boring. Lifting weights is a great way to build muscle, which in turn, increases the fat your body is able to burn. If your goal is to burn fat, a good number of repetitions for any exercise would be between 6 and 12. Fat-burning exercise tip number 3, row. Rowing will not only help you to lose fat but enable you to gain muscle as well. Rowing burns massive amounts of calories and works all the major muscle groups of your body. Fat-burning exercise tip number 2, interval train. Not many people or fitness professionals are aware of the enormous benefits from an interval training session. Interval training can produce benefits in as little as 20 minutes. And, the greatest benefit, is that for the next 24 hours following an interval program, the fat-burning process is accelerated. For more information, click the link in the description below this video.